Welcome back to another episode of Stitch on Saturday. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the Tunisian Bobble Stitch. Today I am using a clover takumi bamboo Tunisian crochet hook, and this is a size 5.5 mm or size I hook, and I have the double-ended hook on hand right now, but you can use a straight one as well. I'm going to link both of them below in the description. I'm using two yarns. I'm using the Lion Brand Pound of Wool, which is a size 4 worsted weight yarn, and then I'm using the Lion Brand 24/7 cotton, which is also a size 4 yarn. So basically the way you do, so now I'm going to be showing you how to do the actual bubble stitch. I did Tunisian simple stitch into the first 5 stitches, and now I want to do the bobble lined up with this bobble here into the 6th stitch. So basically how you do that is you're going to pull some yarn over the hook, then I'm going to go in behind and I'm just going to pull up a loop and then pull some yarn through those 2 loops, and then I'm going to continue doing that. So basically wrapping my yarn around the hook, and then I'm going to go in as if I'm doing the Tunisian knit stitch, and I can link to that video below as well, just so you have a reference, and then basically pull up a loop. Now I have you'll see that I have 3 blue loops on here. So I'm not going to count the first one, but then these 2, I'm going to pull another loop through both of those. So see how these are forming on here, these stitches. So then you're just going to go through again, and then pull up another loop, and then go through 2 loops. So you're going to keep going through 2 loops, going to keep doing that, yarn over, go through, that's the same stitch, and then pull up a loop through these 2 stitches. And I'm going to continue doing that until I have a total of 5 stitches on here, 5 blue stitches. So now I have 5 blue stitches, and basically what I want to do is I'm going to take this yarn and pull them through. So actually I'm not going to do it with the blue yarn, I'm going to do it with, I'm changing colors as I go, but basically you can do it with the same same yarn as well, but just for my pattern what I'm working on right now, I'm just gonna pull through all 5 of those loops and just pull through those 5 loops with this green mint color that I have, and then I'm just gonna pull these closed tight in the back here, and this is your bobble. Basically that's your bobble stitch. And then I'm going to go through and do a simple stitch in the next, let's see, how many do I have to do it into? I'm going to do it 1, 2, 3, 4, and then into the 5th one. So I'm going to do, so basically I'm wrapping my yarn around the hook. I picked up the blue, wrapping it around the hook. And then I'm just going to go through the next stitch as if I'm doing the Tunisian knit stitch and pull up a loop. So now I have these 2 blue loops on here. So then I'm going to pull through these 2 loops. Again, yarn over, go through the next stitch as if you're going to knit, or the same stitch that you're working in. Just go through and pull up a loop, and now you have 3 loops on here. So then you're going to pull up another loop through these 2 loops. And we're going to keep doing that until we have 5 loops. So again, I yarned over and then I went in, and now I'm pulling through the 2 stitches, the 2 loops on there. So now I have 3 stitches. I'm going to do it 2 more times. Yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through these 2 loops. Yarn over, go through, pull up a loop, and then pull through 2 loops. And there, I have 5 here again. And then basically what you're just going to do is you're going to pull your yarn through all 5 loops. that's how you do the bobble stitch. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was easy for you to follow. Let me know what you think, and please subscribe, like the video, comment, and subscribe if you'd like more videos on knitting or crochet tips, techniques, or stitches. Alright, I'll see you next Saturday.